The Labor Department's latest Consumer Price Index report shows inflation up 1.3% in June. Prices are up 9.1% over the past year. That's the highest level in 40 years. But those numbers don't reflect the recent drop in prices at the gas pump. The national average price for a gallon of regular is down to $4.63. Business reporter Alexis Christoforous joins me live now for more on that. Alexis, what is driving prices up yet again at this point, and where are Americans getting hit the hardest?
Sadly, there is not a lot of relief to be found in this report. And this report, I think, shocked a lot of people, even the experts on Wall Street. You have a much hotter than expected report here. Inflation at a new 4-decade high, jumping 9.1% versus a year ago. There was a little bit of encouragement here, Diane, and that's core inflation. If you take out volatile food and energy costs, that rose 5.9% compared to 6%. So a little bit of a drop there. But I just want to run through quickly some of the things that are pushing prices higher. Rent's a big part of what's going on here. You know, rent makes up about a third of the overall consumer price index. Rent's up nearly 1% in just the past month. Of course, we know gasoline up 11.2% in just the past month. Food, we're all paying more for that as well, up about 1%. Even apparel prices are higher. So hard to find any relief in this report. And once again, it's food and energy really leading the advance.
Now, gas prices, though, are finally starting to come down. Is that an indication that maybe inflation in general will come down with that?
Wishful thinking. A lot of folks.
Trying to find a silver lining here.
I know you are. We all are. But a lot of folks are hoping that this report represents the peak. Now, look, this number was driven higher by a double-digit increase in gas prices last month. Remember, that's when gas prices nationwide topped $5 a gallon. They have come down since then, so this report does not reflect the lower prices. Next month's report will show probably a little bit of an easing because gas prices have come down. But remember, we're still in the middle of summer. This is a high-demand driving season. We still have the war in Ukraine putting pressure on supplies. So any big relief at the gas pump will probably just be short-lived, Diane.
All right. And there is some indication now that gas prices could continue to fall. So what are you looking out for there?
Looking out for if there's going to be any relief at all on the supply chain issue, because we just, you know, there are too many issues in terms of geopolitical risk with Ukraine right now and with Russia. We can't really bet that that's going to bring us any kind of relief. And demand is not going to slow down anytime soon. One area that we did see drop, airline fares were actually down about 1.8%. Not sure if consumers are feeling that quite yet because they are really high because of all the demand for travel right now.
So what does this mean if you have money in the stock market or in a 401k? What does this mean for people at home trying to manage their money?
It means that our purchasing power is getting sapped because wages continue to not keep up with inflation. Wages are up about 5.1%. Inflation up 9.1%. So the minute the money comes in, you know, you're going out there and spending so much more. Inflation in and of itself is not going to affect your stock market portfolio, though I can tell you that the stock market does not like this news today about hot inflation. It means the Fed is going to have to continue to be aggressive with their interest rate hikes. We're looking for 0.75% later this month. After this report, we're now looking for 0.75% in September as well.
All right, Alexis Christoforous, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.